Combine like terms with fractions. Simplify 3/4 a minus 2/3 minus 1/2 a plus 5/6. Our first step is to rewrite subtraction as addition. So we have 3/4 a plus negative 2/3, and I'm using the parentheses to separate my signs, plus negative 1/2 a plus 5/6. Step 2, identify like terms, then find common denominators. All right, so my like terms are 3/4 a and negative 1/2 a. My other like terms are negative 2/3 and positive 5/6. Now that I've found my like terms, I'm going to rewrite them below and then find my common denominators. So I have 3/4 a plus negative 1/2 a. And you notice that the 4 and the 2 can also have a common denominator of 4. So I'm going to multiply the 2 times 2, which means I need to multiply the 1 by 2 as well. So I'll get negative 2/4 a. All right, now I'm going to go back to my other like terms, and I'm going to rewrite those down below. I have negative 2/3 plus 5/6. I see that the 3 and the 6 are my denominators, and I can make 6 for my common denominator. In order to do that, I just need to multiply that negative 2/3 by 2. So I'm rewriting it and multiplying by 2 to get negative 4/6. Our final step is to combine our like terms. So you'll notice that I'm taking our final terms and I am going to rewrite them as 3/4 a plus negative 2/4 a. Again, I'm identifying all of my terms on the other side that I just changed into common denominators, and I'm adding them in. So plus 5/6 plus negative 4/6. All right, now all we have to do is add them together, and we get 3/4 a plus negative 2/4 a is positive 1/4 a. 5/6 plus negative 4/6 is going to give us positive 1/6. So our final answer is going to be 1/4 a plus 1/6. Our next example says to expand linear expressions using the distributive property. All distribution is multiplying over our parentheses, because parentheses mean to multiply. So we take 4 times negative 3x, which would equal negative 12x. Then we're going to take our 4 and multiply by a positive 6. So that's going to give us positive 24. So my final answer for 4 times negative 3x plus 6 is going to be negative 12x plus 24. The next example says to distribute over subtraction. So we have 2x minus 5y times 3. We're going to take our 3 and we need to multiply it over the parentheses. So all we're doing is what's called distribution. We're going to multiply the 3 times positive 2x, and we're going to get positive 6x. Now notice there's a negative sign in front of the 5. We're going to call that 5y, negative 5y. So negative 5y times 3 is negative 15y. This is a final result of 6x minus 15y. Example 6, distribute negative numbers. So now we have a negative 5 times 2x minus 9. We're going to take our negative 5 and multiply it by our 2x to get negative 10x. Next, we're taking our negative 5 and we're multiplying it by a negative 9. Again, you have two negative signs. When we have two negatives, they become a positive. So we'd get positive 45. Our final answer is going to be negative 10x plus 45.